Ar ôl ennill y dwbl tymor diwethaf, mae Caerdydd yn cystadlu yng Cynghrair y Pencampwyr am y tro cyntaf ers degawd ac yn paratoi I wynebu FC Gintra o Lithuania.
Well, we know it's going to be a difficult game. We know they're going to play at high intensity. They're used to winning their league year in, year out. And we know we're going to have to raise our levels to somewhere we haven't been before. And that's why we've had such a difficult pre-season. Is, you know, we are going to suffer at times in the game. They are going to make it very difficult for us. However, we're not the type of team to lie down and just kind of park the bus. We haven't got that in our locker. So we're going to go at them. We're going to give it everything we've got. And you know, if we go through it and we have a positive result, amazing. You know, if we don't, then it's learning then, and we hope to be in the same position next year, where we'll have more of an understanding of where we need to be and what we need to do. But we're going to give it everything we've got, and hopefully we can come out with a positive result.
Seren Watkins, yn llithro heibio ar amddiffynwr yn argydio! Gol wefreiddiol gan Seren Watkins.
Everyone's buzzing to get going in the Champions League. You know, it's a massive opportunity, and I think they're really looking forward to stepping onto the pitch and hopefully, you know, playing good football. We're expecting them to be quick, you know, physical, but we've planned our pre-season matches around how they play, and hopefully we can outplay them.
The fact that the club are now semi-professional, all the girls have got their contracts, what's that done in terms of the psyche of the players and the morale of the group as well?
You know, the girls have responded really well. It's something that we should have done a long time ago, and we're just really thankful that we got the support from the football club and our sponsors and everybody around the club to put it in and make sure that these girls get what they deserve. Now it's on them to keep their place now and to fight for it year by year and make sure they get that contract every year.
Kick gornel at y postyn gosa, Siobhan Walsh ar peniad!
Yeah, it's definitely been a long time coming. Obviously, it's an exciting time to be at the club, and you know, it's just nice to get some recognition from the club themselves for all the hard work we've put in. It's a nice motivator to have, to want to push forward and play for this team, being able to get paid as well to be here.
Ymysg y chwaraewyr newydd I arwyddo dros yr haf mae Molly Ciho, sydd wedi gadael treuther Ynysoedd Cayman yn y Cardiff I ymuno â Caerdydd.
I have a coach that had just moved to the Cayman Islands, where I'm from. He's actually from Wales, and he basically got me this opportunity, which I'm very grateful for. I've always played a lot of sports growing up, but football has definitely always been my favourite. I always had a dream of playing on the bigger stage from a young age. I went to boarding school for 2 years in Rome, Georgia, in the States, and I play for my national team as well.
Molly came over and she's been a real breath of fresh air, and she's really finding her feet now, and we're just thankful that, you know, she's signed for us. She's a part of our club, because I think she's going to have a really big impact this year.
I know you only arrived here 2 weeks ago, but I want to ask, what were your first impressions when you moved to Wales?
Definitely colder, I have to get used to that, but everything, it's nice here, it's really nice. The people are nice, food is good, everything is overall pretty good.
I know you guys have had a pretty intense pre-season, 8 friendlies in total, I'm right in saying, so how are the legs, Siobhan, are they all right?
We're just about holding on. No, it's what we needed, you know, we needed to prepare correctly, and it's been hard, but we're over it now, and we're all just ready to go.
Really good, you know, the vibe in training is always really high. Everyone's enjoying their football, and yeah, you can see it by some of the results we've been getting in pre-season.
We've fought hard to be in this position. Whoever wins the league the previous year, other teams will try and catch them up, other teams will try and kind of emulate what they've done, and we just want to raise the standard across Wales. So our aim is to keep setting them standards, keep pushing, driving women and girls football across Wales, and that's what we'll aim to do, and yeah, hopefully this time next year we're in a similar position having the same conversation.